Way cool.
Nice car, Mark.
Best Classic Ford 1963. Sponsored by the Twin Cities Hearing Aid Center. What'd you say?
What?
Bob and Lorraine. Shelley out of Livermore on this beauty. 390, 300 horse. It's got the standard Ford 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic. And he's had it for a long time. He said they had a kid and he cut his teeth on the dash. So, whatever that means. Beautiful car.
Here we go. On 3. 1, 2, and 3. One more.
But what's unique is it's a 390, 300 horse car, not a 352. Most of them were 352 V8s. This is the big block, the 390, with the 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic. Woo! Way cool. Bob and Lorraine, thanks for coming. You got a nice car. Very nice car.
Yeah, they cruised all the way cross country last year.
That's good. When you get time, paint it red. Okay?
Yeah, it's got good brakes. There you go. Good brakes.
This is the long distance award winner. Blowing in from beautiful downtown Medford, Oregon.